Hello everyone, today I'd like to do an unboxing review of Blackview Tab 11. So I already removed the plastic cover and I'm going to remove the top. And the first thing that I was surprised is that it comes with a cover. It's not a very thick cover. It's not very colorful, but still having a tablet already with a case is a great thing. That's what I really like about this, even without turning it on. So I'm going to turn it on and we'll see how fast you can work on it. So this is Tab 11. You can have all the specs here. So this 10-inch screen, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, and the battery is really good. It's on the very strong side. Plus the front camera is 8 megapixel and rear camera is 30 megapixels, so you can actually take nice good photos with this tablet. So let's take it out of the box and see. So this is the back of the tablet. Wow, looks interesting. So it's see-through case. I really like it. And this is what's in the package. The charging cable, it's USB-C, and then some additional cables like for data transfer and all. This is for inserting your SD card, small manual, and yeah, that's for charging as well. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it on and then we'll see how it works. So I booted up the device. It comes with a clean Android which you need to set up. I'm not gonna touch anything yet, but I like how quick the interface interacts. So I just click on some of the modes without removing this cover. It's still working fine. So this tablet is positioned as a gaming tablet, so if you're into any Android games, I highly recommend this one. And yeah, so far I have really nice expectations. I like the silicone cover here, so I'm gonna use it, and if there are any issues in the future, I'm gonna update my review. Thank you for watching.